In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and share your projects within Looker Studio. When you're working in Looker Studio, one of the convenient features is that your work is automatically saved as you go. Unlike some other software programs, where you have to constantly remember to click Save, Looker Studio takes care of this for you by ensuring that every change you make, big or small, is instantly saved in your Google account. This includes everything from minor formatting tweaks to more substantial chart edits. Now, you might be wondering about creating static copies of your reports or sharing them in a more traditional format. Although Looker Studio autosaves your work, it does allow you to export or share your report as a snapshot in several specific ways. Let's explore how to do that efficiently. First, you can download your report as a PDF. To kick off this process, simply navigate to the top right of your screen and find the Share button. Once you've clicked on that, you'll notice a small arrow beside it. Click this arrow, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Download Report. This option will prompt you to make some choices, such as selecting which pages you'd like to include in your download. Additionally, you can decide whether you want to include backgrounds in your PDF. If necessary, you even have the option to add a link or password, protect the PDF, to enhance security. But the convenience doesn't stop there. Looker Studio also offers email scheduling for your report's PDFs, which can be incredibly handy if you or your colleagues need regular updates or snapshots without the need to remember to send them manually. To set this up, once again, head to the drop-down menu from the Share button, but this time select Schedule Delivery. Here, you can define your email distribution, including setting specific target recipients. Consider how often you need these updates to go out. Your options here range from daily, weekly, to even monthly, allowing you to tailor it to your or your team's specific needs. On top of that, you can customize the subject and message that accompany your email, adding a personal touch or additional context as necessary. With these tools at your disposal, managing and sharing your projects in Looker Studio becomes a seamless task. Whether you're simply backing up a report, turning it into a PDF for easy sharing, or setting up a scheduled email delivery, Looker Studio provides a robust and flexible framework to support all your data reporting needs. Remember, technology is here to simplify your task, not complicate it. So, let these features work for you efficiently as you streamline your workflow.